Okay, so here is the assignment, and that is how I will title this video, so that as we move forward, I'll do the examples in separate videos, and then I will have the assignment on another video for those students that you remember this and you're ready to jump into the execution. Now, I realize the videos were really long, at least for today. So you are not required to do these assignments in like 24 hours. Like you guys can take days. You can go into next week. I will solve some of these problems, but I'll wait a day and then I'll do another one. And then I'm going to check out Zoom to then send you all a code so that, or I got to figure it out, where then you guys can troubleshoot with me, ask questions, and I can meet with you guys if you guys are having issues, just so we can communicate and see each other because I'm still your teacher. Okay, so let's see, you're gonna factor, then you're gonna solve the quadratic. So I want factored form, zero product property. Factored form, zero product property. Factored form, zero product property. So x squared minus 5x minus 24 equals 0. Second one, x squared minus 14x plus 45 equals 0. Third one, x squared plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, then there are three more. So 4 is x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. 5 is x squared plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. 6 is x squared minus x minus 56 is equal to 0. So tomorrow's videos and tomorrow's video and then the next day, we're going to kind of sit on this at least until the till next week during spring break. I know next week will be your spring break, so you don't technically have to check in with me for class, but I'll load a video or two to kind of start it just so that it gives me time to then set up a means to speak with you. I'm keeping the camera on here just in case you need to copy. I know you can just pause, but I'm trying to get that. Okay. Hugs to each of you. I miss you guys. So let me switch it. Okay, so I will figure out as far as meeting with you. I think I would have to set up a Google Classroom then, and then hit the, and then get Zoom, and then all you do is link in. You might have already done that with some of your teachers already. And then that way you can ask me specific questions. So if you attempt the problem, you can ask for clarification. And then, or you can we just have it and I just set up a time for you to meet with me. And I know this is a learning process. I keep looking at me, but whatever. I want to look at a human. That, I don't even know what I was going to say. But this is a learning process for everybody. I realize there are other people in your home that, my son right now is on my laptop. My other son is on our computer. You may just have one means. And so I realize that you may not be able to do work from day to day. That's fine. I know I just uploaded 4 videos, or this will be the 4th video. Do not have any anxiety or stress. We'll get through this. And I know some kids have had questions about their grades. I'll try to address all of those when we can meet up, but we'll probably wait until after next week and then the week after spring break. And then I'll set up like a conference like in classroom and figure things out because I still have kids that haven't even touched base with me as far as sending in an assignment or anything. Okay, if this assignment is very easy for you, great. I will let you know when I'm teaching harder material so that my goal is to keep those kids that are ready to learn because I've signed their honors sheets to go into IM3. And so they're just, they could be having a little bit of frustration or stress because how are they going to be ready for it? The degrees, everybody's in the same boat. All the states are in the same boat. So we will have, as an educator, we will have understanding next year when we have our students coming in, or we understand that there was just a checkout in terms of that teaching environment. And some of you are just not happy with being at home and doing this work. I mean, it was fun for a day, but then it just, you get cabin fever. So is a learning process. So definitely email me any concerns, but definitely after spring break, I'll definitely try and get something going where we can meet up and start speaking to each other. Okay. Love you guys. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you so much. Some of your messages that you've been writing on your homework, I just started tearing up because I don't see your smiles. So even if you just want to send me a smiley picture, I am happy to see that. I'm happy to see you guys. If you want to send me a picture of your pet or your favorite drawing, or you just want to detail something, absolutely. Like, you know, it's not just math class. It was about just everything where you went that weekend, your game, or you got a bruise on your ankle. I mean, it's just, you know, it was math, but then it was also like half of other stuff. Okay, so I miss you. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow with another video, and I'll solve one of these. And send me an email if you're like, I need confirmation. I think I did number 2 wrong. Then, you know, I'll go for that. Okay. All right. Bye, guys. Have a great night. Okay. Or day, night.